So the Research Data Alliance has a fairly ambitious vision, which is that researchers and innovators openly share and reuse data across disciplines, across technologies and across countries to solve the grand challenges of society. And our mission is to build the social and the technical bridges that will achieve that vision.
So RDA as an organization is about to make awareness about the data in general and the data use in general. And I think that the data used by scientists has a very unique special value to make a difference and impact the future prosperity of any continents wherever we are living. Therefore, we are RDA is a nucleus for this discussion around the data.
So at the moment, RDA is focused on building small components to solve particular problems. You could think of these as building bricks. What I think RDA needs to do better is focus now on taking those bricks and building them into bridges. And what I mean by building them into bridges is building them into solutions that meet societal challenges. So I could see a way in which RDA could pick up, say, one of the Sustainable Development Goals and try and for a year or two focus on taking the existing components that we have, putting them together into a solution that meets those particular Sustainable Development Goals.
Technical is sort of that bringing together the different aspects of everything. It's how it gets done and how things work together. And so TAB is a great organization for having a good overview of the RDA community and being able to see who's working on what projects and liaison between those to suggest maybe these groups should work together, a new group is being proposed, perhaps they should work with this other community because they might have that part that plugs in and builds that full technical picture of what's going on.
So how do we support those societal challenges? Well, we have some concrete examples of how that is done, but of course we have more work to do around the bridge building exercise, which is, I think, one of the important focuses of this moment in RDA's life, which is to look at the themes, things like climate change, which we heard is very, very important, and we know, or health, or the Sustainable Development Goals, and understand how a series of the different technical and more domain-specific solutions that RDA comes out with can support and be packaged to solve and support and resolve those grand challenges that we're talking about.
We are in the beginning of the data revolution, and fortunately the RDA and the researcher community is a bit more advanced than other sectors and other group of people. Therefore, we are having our responsibility that how the future policies and how the future use of data will be decided.
RDA is an enabler of recommendations and technology to institutions and people.